Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Starting with the name of Allah Almighty, who is most merciful and gracious. Hope you all will be fine. In this video, we discuss muscle attachment in humerus bone. First type of muscle attachment, greater tubercle. Greater tubercles consist supraspinatus, infraspinatus, and teres minor. Greater tubercle consist three type: supraspinatus, infraspinatus, and teres minor. Supraspinatus present in superior facet, infraspinatus present in middle facet, teres minor present in inferior facet, supraspinatus present in superior facet, infraspinatus present in middle facet, teres minor present in inferior facet. Second type of muscle attachment, lesser tubercle consist present only subscapularis, also rotator muscle. Lesser tubercles present only in subscapularis, supraspinatus, infraspinatus, teres minor, and subscapularis, also rotator muscle. Third type of muscle attachment, lateral supracondylar ridge. Lateral supracondylar ridge consist brachioradialis, extensor carpi radialis longus. Brachioradialis upper part form 2/3, extensor carpi radialis longus lower part consist of 1/3 part. Brachioradialis make upper part 2/3, extensor carpi radialis longus form lower part 1/3. Fourth, lateral epicondylar consist common extensor origin and anconeus. Common extensor origin form present in interior surface, anconeus present in posterior surface. Common extensor origin present in interior surface, anconeus present in posterior surface. Greater tubercle consists three part: supraspinatus, infraspinatus, and teres minor. Supraspinatus present in superior facet, infraspinatus present in middle facet, teres minor present in inferior facet. We remember greater tubercle by dysmnemonic sits S से supraspinatus, I से infraspinatus, T से teres minor. Supraspinatus present in superior facet, infraspinatus present in middle facet, teres minor present in inferior facet. Lesser tubercle present in subscapularis, supraspinatus, infraspinatus, teres minor, and subscapularis, also rotator muscle. Third type of muscle attachment, lateral supracondylar ridge. We remember lateral supracondylar ridge by dysmnemonic bell. B से brachioradialis upper 2/3 and extensor carpi longus lower 1/3 part. Brachioradialis bell and B से brachioradialis upper 2/3, extensor carpi radialis longus lower 1/3. We remember lateral supracondyle ridge by dysmnemonic bell. Fourth muscle attachment in humerus, lateral epicondyle. We remember lateral epicondyle call by mnemonic call. C से common extensor origin present in interior surface. A से anconeus present in posterior surface. Fifth type of muscle attachment in humerus, medial supracondylar ridge. consist only one muscle pronotor teres. We remember medial supracondylar ridge by dysmonic my player. My M से medial, P से pronotor teres. Extensor muscle present at the lateral border. Extensor muscle present at the lateral border. Medial epicondyle. We remember medial epicondyle by dysmonic McDonald's. M से medial और C से epicondyle. Present in common flexor origin, also present in the interior surface. Medial epicondyle present at the interior surface. Intertubercle scalus consists three parts: pectoralis major, teres major, and latimus dorsi. Pectoralis major present in lateral lip, teres major present in medial lip, latimus dorsi present at the floor. We remember intertubercle scalus by dysmonic love PTI. L से lateral, P से pectoralis, T से teres, I से inter. L से lateral, P से pectoralis, I से intertubercle scalus. Intertubercle scalus consists three parts: pectoralis major, teres major, and latimus dorsi. Pectoralis major present at the lateral lip, teres major present at the medial lip, latimus dorsi present at the floor. Coracobrachioles present only at the middle part of the medial border. Coracobrachioles present at the medial part of the medial border. We also remember coracobrachioles by dysmonic McDonald's. M से medial, C से coracobrachioles present at the lateral and medial surface. Brachioles present also lateral and medial surface, extend up to the posterior aspect. Brachioles present at the lateral and medial surface, extend up to the posterior surface. Deltoid present in the deltoid tuberosity, also present at the lateral surface. Deltoid present in the deltoid tuberosity and also present at the lateral surface. Triceps consist three head: long head, lateral head, and medial head. Triceps consist three head: long head, lateral head, and medial head. Long head, infraglenoid tubercle of scapula. Long head, infraglenoid tubercle of scapula. Triceps consists three head: long head, lateral head, and medial head. Long head present at the infraglenoid tubercle of scapula. Lateral head present in oblique ridge groove. Lateral head present in the oblique ridge groove. Medial head present below the radial groove. Medial head present below the radial groove. Lateral head and medial head also present at the posterior surface. Lateral head and medial head also present at the posterior surface. Total muscle in humerus bone 17. Total muscle attachment in humerus bone 17. We account This 17 muscle, supraspinatus, infraspinatus, teres minor, subscapularis, brachioradialis, extensor carpi, radialis longus, common extensor origin, anconeus, anconeus, medial supracondylar ridge, medial epicondyle, intertubercles sacculus, Cracobrachylus, brachylus, deltoid, and 17 triceps muscle. In humerus bone, 9 muscle present in insertion point. We remember insertion member by this mnemonic. Teacher, T means teres major, came, C means Cracobrachylus, P से pectoralis major, L से latimus dorsi, S से subscapularis, S से supraspinatus, I से infraspinatus, T से teres minor, down means deltoid. Teacher came, PLS, please sit down. Teacher came, please sit down. T means teres major, C means Cracobrachylus, P means pectoralis major, L से latimus dorsi, S से subscapularis, S से supraspinatus, I से infraspinatus, T से teres minor और D से deltoid. 9 muscles present at the insertion of humerus bone. Origin. 7 muscles present at the origin of humerus bone. 7 muscles are present at the origin of humerus bone. We remember origin muscle by this mnemonic. Teachers, T means triceps, brachii, A से anconeus, anconeus present at the posterior surface. B से brachylus, brachio, radialis, C से extensor carpi, radialis, E से common extensor origin, F से common flexor origin, pathate, pronator, teres, teacher, A B C E F, pathate. टीचर, टी से ट्राइसेप ब्रैकियाई, ए से एनकोनियस, बी से ब्रैकिलस, ब्रैकियो रेडिलस, सी से एक्सटेंसर कार्पाई रेडिलस, ई से कॉमन एक्सटेंसर ओरिजन, एफ से कॉमन फ्लेक्सर ओरिजन, पाथेट, प्रोनेटर, टीरीज. 7 muscle present at the origin and 9 muscle present at the insertion of humerus bone. Thank you for this watching video.